Greeting. This is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can schedule an email in our Gmail account. Yes, we're going to schedule it. Very important. So the first thing that we wanted to do is come to our left. Now we're going to click on the word compose. Now when I click on the word compose, it will bring up this small window right here. But if you notice, this window you can click right here and minimize it. You can click right here to extend it and this to close it. If I click right here, you notice expand the window. If I come back here and I click it, carry it down. So when I click it, expand the window just like that. Right? Very important. So what I wanted to do, I want to insert the email that I wanted to schedule. So I'm going to come right down here, down at the bottom right here. If you notice, I'm going to click on this cable clip right here. Notice when I click right here on the cable clip, it's going to take me directly to my desktop where I can actually attach this particular file. Alright? You notice right here, it actually takes me to my desktop. So this is the one that I wanted to attach. I'm going to click it. You notice I make sure I highlight it. I'm going to come all the way to open and notice use is cancel. So I'm going to click on the word open. Now I click on the word open, you notice right here it's actually loading on the desktop. Right, I'm going to come right up here, that's the recipient. I'm going to click right there. I'm going to put the person email. So notice I'm going to put the person email just like that. Now I'm going to put the subject. Right, so the subject is fundamental right here. Right, very important here. So I'm going to put in this subject now. Put in the subject. Apart here. So that's when I put in the subject. Now what I wanted to do, definitely underneath the button right here, yes, click on the bottom, then we're going to type C file below. Good. So with this now, you can actually block it, you can actually give it a little style. Notice this A, you come right here, you click. When you click A, you come right at this little T right here, so you can put it either large or small right here. You come right at this little A here, you can give it a nice little color, just like that. And I can put right here and say bold. If I unblock it, you notice this is what it actually looks like. So now we finish putting the stuff there, the basic stuff in our email. Now is the time for us to schedule the email. You come to the bottom of the screen right here. You notice what you see send. But we are accustomed to send. Right? So what we want to focus on, right? Definitely this little pointer, that's a more option and send. Now you're gonna click it. Notice when I click it, it says schedule send. Now you're gonna click on your schedule. When you click on your schedule, this is what come up right here. Right? It says this morning. So you can schedule it this morning. Channel 4. You can schedule it for this afternoon. You can actually schedule it for tomorrow morning or whatever. And then you can actually click and choose a different date. So it's very important what you can do. When you choose a date and things and all of that, what you can definitely do with it when you finish with choose a date, you can actually come right here. You say schedule the send. Now you do all of that. Now how do you know that you really schedule? Right? Good. But I'm going to show you exactly. If you notice right over here, it says schedule. You're going to click on the right schedule. You notice? So this is the email that actually scheduled a while ago. So that's exactly how you actually schedule an email in Gmail.